Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, karibu sana. I'm Simongai. Thank you for stopping. Remember to subscribe, like, share and leave a very nice comment. So today we are going to be doing a recipe. So we are going to be making a simple cake. So if you are at home, this is the time to make a cake. So over here we have flour. So this is sieved flour. I also have sugar over here. I have margarine. I have 4 eggs. I have baking powder. I have clear vanilla essence. Yeah, so I have an empty bowl over here. I'll show you when we'll use it. So the first thing that you do, you empty the sugar into the bowl. Yeah, so then empty the margarine. So my hands are clean, don't be concerned about the hands. So empty the margarine into the bowl. Make sure that you empty all and your bowl is completely empty. So I'll use this one to sieve. I don't have a machine to use, and I'm also showing you a very simple way that you don't require so many things to make a cake. Yeah, so I'll whisk the sugar and the margarine together until, look at it right now, until I acquire a fluffy mixture. Yeah, so I'll do that and then I'll show you how it looks. We'll go ahead and add eggs. So I break 1 egg at a time. So we are done with this. Let me create more space for us. So we break 1 egg at a time. So the reason as to why I break 1 egg at a time is in case there is one bad egg, I'm able to know whether the egg is bad. I'll use 2 of these. So the work of vanilla essence is to remove the smell of the eggs. So if you don't like how eggs smell, so that is the work of vanilla essence. So that it ensures that just make sure that you add baking powder to your cake. So I'll use a small tablespoon. I'll add 1. So that's it. I'll go ahead and add our flour. So remember, this is sieved flour. Just don't use any flour. Make sure that you sieve your flour. So from here, I'll just use a spoon. It's way easier to mix. Your sufuria with margarine. So this is the margarine that you'll dust it with, and then add flour on top and ensure that it sticks everywhere. So this ensures that your sufuria, your cake does not stick in the sufuria immediately it's cooked. Yeah, so we'll go ahead and empty everything in this sufuria together. So you just need to do it like this so that it flattens in the sufuria. So let's go put it in the oven. Yeah, so because I'm done. So this is our final product. So this is how the cake looks like. Yeah, so it got burnt here. It was just maybe a small mini, but it's fine. Yeah, so if you want to confirm whether the cake is cooked, you insert a spoon inside and confirm whether it's oily. If it's oily, the way this one looks, you see it's oily, you know the cake is cooked. Yeah, so I think that's it. I'll cut the cake and then you'll see how it looks. So let's cut the cake. So let's go and have this piece of cake. So I've eaten this part and it's so delicious. Very delicious. So set your oven at 180 degrees. Let the oven warm for 15 minutes and then let the cake bake for 45 minutes. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for